H282. Page number H282. What is the chapter's name? Can you tell me?
Then myths and legends.
Legends, myths and legends. Now, do you remember? ये ऐसा ही चैप्टर हमने क्लास 4 में भी पढ़ा था.
Yes,
We had learned this kind of chapter. Now, in that, which was the chapter? What was the story? Myths and legends. What was the story?
Ma'am, Archimedes.
No. Was that?
Yes.
Myths and legend was for the.
Then it was.
No, ma'am.
Right?
It's Golden Touch. Golden Touch.
Yes,
I can't remember the king. Ma'am, it is a Golden Touch.
Midas Touch. Right? Midas was a king, and he prayed to God that मुझे ऐसी wish दो कि जहाँ पे जो भी मैं touch करूँ, it turns into gold. Right? And there was Cerasus and Dionysus. Right? So Cerasus was king, and Cerasus was the friend of the Lord Dionysus. Now Dionysus blessed him that Midas, जो भी तुम touch करोगे, वो सारी चीजें golden हो जाएगी. And as a result, initially he started touching everything. उसे सब touch करना शुरू किया. Now, from after till afternoon, he was hungry. When he started eating the food or started drinking the water, it all turned into gold. He was not able to eat anything. Then, there was a time where his little daughter, princess, came to meet him, and he tried to hug her, right? And when he hugged her, princess also turned into a golden statue. Then the king realized, this is not something I should wish for. My family or my surrounding or my environment which I'm living is preserved to be the way it is, right? मैं उन सबको सोना कर दूंगा, so I won't become rich as what he thought initially, right? And then he again goes to the Lord Dionysus and he requests कि मुझे ये अभी moon नहीं चाहिए. I don't want this moon anymore. So what Dionysus told, he told this king Midas that आप यहाँ का पानी है, वो पानी लेके जाओ. Wherever you have touched, you just sprinkle it. Everything would be normal and back to the state. That was the chapter of Midas. The chapter's name was Midas Touch. The same heading, myths and legends. Now, how many of you remember what is the meaning of myth? Myth or legend? Is the meaning here? What is myth or what is legend? Anyone? Okay, I'll tell you. Myths or legends are the stories, which is being told from generation to generation. Right? हम गुजराती में अगर स्टोरी बोलते हैं तो हम बोलते हैं ना, एक चक्को હતો, एक चक्की હતી, चक्की लायो चोखा दाणो, चक्को लायो मगनो दाणो, एनी बनाई खिचड़ी. अब किसी ने देखा हुआ है चक्का चक्की को खिचड़ी बनाते हुए? Have you ever seen? Anybody has seen? विश्वा, आपने देखा है चक्का और चक्की खिचड़ी बना रहे हो ऐसा?
No, ma'am.
Didi? Raina? Has anyone seen? Jean?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone seen?
No, Chucky.
चक्का और चक्की खिचड़ी बनाते?
No.
No, they just eat raw food, right? But we know this story. आप सबको ये story पता है? चक्का चक्की वाली? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because it has been told to us by our daddy, by our mommy, by our father. जब भी story करना, एक हाथ से चक्को, एक हाथ से चक्की, चक्की लाई चोखा दाणो, चक्को लाई मगनो दाणो, एनी बनाई खिचड़ी. राइट? और यही स्टोरी अभी भी हमारी जनरेशन, अगर आपके छोटे भाई बहन होंगे तो उनको भी यही स्टोरी सुनाई जाती है. बहुत सारी सुनाई जाती है, बट दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल. तो myths and legends are the stories which give a knowledge also, but then they are all, what you can say, imaginary. Right? You can see in the pink box, what are myths and legends? Are they old imaginary stories that are told to entertain people? Or do they have shred of truth in them? There is something beyond of magic, miracles and wonders of this fanciful tale that is not completely imaginary and detached from the truth. Right? कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है it has a balance of imagination and the truth. चकिलाई चोखा नुदान चकोला लो मगनुदान. अच्छा वो ले सकते हैं. ये खिचड़ी बनाने की जो बात आती है दस दिन. So in this chapter again we are going to learn about a story which is again from the Greek civilization. So जो सारे नाम आप पढ़ेंगे that would be weird. Why? Because they are taken from the Greek civilization. That's why. जैसे उनको हमारे नाम ऑड लगते हैं वैसे हमें भी उन सिविलाइजेशन के नाम ऑड लगते हैं. राइट? चलिए, आर वी रेडी फॉर दिस न्यू चैप्टर? यस? नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am. Yeah, right.
ओके चलिए. So page number 82, chapter number 6, myths and legends. Now getting started. Write today's date on that page. Please write today's date on that page. Legend tell of a creator. Okay, can I please request Reedy? Getting started. Please read.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly, huh, bacha?
Yes, ma'am. Legends tell of a creature named Sphinx that lived near the ancient Greek city of Thebes. It is said to have guarded the entrance to the city and asked the travelers riddles to allow them passage. Solve the Sphinx riddle and let the Sphinx allow you the passage to the
Right? This is an imaginary character named as Sphinx. Now, Sphinx was required over there. Greek civilization में उनको दरवाजे के बाहर रखा जाता था. And ऐसा कहा जाता है कि he only allows the passage. Passage here does not mean paragraph. Passage means road. Right? वो दरवाजा बंद करके रखता था. Only after you solve his riddle, उसके बाद ही वो passage खुलता था. That door was open. Now, I want Yasha Bharatra.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the blue box. That is on page 82.
Yes.
That is the riddle. Riddles you all understand.
Yes, ma'am. There are two sisters. One gives birth to the other, and she in the turn gives birth to the first.
There are two sisters. One gives birth to the other, and she in turn gives birth to the first one. There is a hint. Can you please read the hint, Yasha?
Yes, ma'am. Hint. The name of the two sisters are a pair of antonyms.
Anybody who knows the answer? Two sisters. एक दूसरे को जन्म देती है, दूसरी पहले को जन्म देती है. जब ये खत्म हो जाती है तो ये बर्थ होती है, ये खत्म हो जाती है तो ये बर्थ होती है. Okay. The answer is what is the answer?
Day and night.
Day and night.
Is day and night. Please write the answer over there. Day and night. Right? Day gives birth to night. Day खत्म होता है तो नाइट शुरू होती है. नाइट खत्म होती है तो डे शुरू हो जाता है. This two sisters are day and night. Clear है?
Yes.
Clear. Come to the listening portion. I'm reading the paragraph. There are only six of answers are there. So you have to just read. अगर आपको लगता है please repeating the paragraph. It's a very Please listen very carefully.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, your voice is
cutting.
Ma'am, your voice is freezing. Page number 3. Listen to the question.
Ma'am, your
Once upon a time,
your voice is freezing.
आप अपने को म्यूट कर दो, everything will be okay. Once upon a time, the Greeks and the Trojans had been at war for 10 years. The Greeks wanted to capture the city of Trojans called Troy. No one knew how to end the war. They ordered the Greeks hatched a plan to end the war. It told the Greeks to stop fighting and build a giant wooden horse. They left the wooden horse at the gate of the city of Troy and went to hide. The Trojans thought the Greeks had surrendered themselves and left the horse as a king for them. They brought the horse inside and celebrated their victory. When they all fell asleep, the belly of the wooden horse opened and the Greek soldiers came out of it. They silently opened the city gates and let every Greek soldier inside. This is how Greeks defeated Trojans and captured the city. Right? This is a very famous story. और मैंने भी छोटी सी तब पढ़ी हुई है the story. Now, can we request Ibrahim? Give me the first answer.
excuse me, ma'am.
Trojans and the Greeks had been at war for dash years. How many years?
10 years.
10 years. Where? In
Ma'am, your voice is freezing and camera also.
चलो pray. Pray me there class.
Ma'am?
But I don't have any network.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is so freezing. Ma'am, you can't see your network issue. You see your network issue.
तुम्हारा माइक्रोफोन ऑफ रखोगे ना देगा ना बच्चा. शुभम मेरे को एक बार में भी वही चीज सुनाई देती है जो 4 बार तुम बोलते हो. चलिए now please type it in the chat box. Is my voice audible? Is my voice audible? Reply yes, no. See, क्यों हो जाता है? Because आप सबके माइक्रोफोन्स ऑफ होते हैं. That is why. Right? चलिए. Now please type the answers in the chat box. First question: the Trojans and the Greeks had been at war for dash years. How many years? Please type the answers in the chat box. How many years? 10 years. Yes. Thank you, Farah. Chaliye. Vishwa, give me the answer of the second question. Vishwa. The city of the Trojans was called dash. The city of the Trojans was called dash. Let everyone answer, Vishwa, give me the answer. The city of Trojans was called dash. Trojan city, Tyre, Republic of Trojans, or Troy? The correct answer is Troy. 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 Please take the answer number 4. Next, Shlok, Walter. Type the answer. Third one. To drive away means to invite someone, to go for a drive with someone, to look for a way out, or to make someone go away. To drive away. It means to make someone go away. Drive away. I drive. And when you miss option number C is correct answer. Third one, fourth one, Shubham. The Greeks built a giant statue. क्या किया था? Wooden statue, wooden tank, wooden horse, wooden boat. It's the correct answer. Anyone who knows the answer? What did they build? What did they build? They built a wooden horse. This is a very famous story. ये ग्रीक माइथोलॉजी की बहुत फेमस स्टोरी है जहाँ पे दो लोग वॉर पे हैं, ग्रीक एंड ट्रोजन, राइट? नाउ दिस फाइट वाज almost for 10 years it's long, and then after the people realized the Greeks had plans, but they built a big wooden horse, right? उस horse still दरवाजा, and some of the people or soldiers they're hidden. Now ये जो ट्रोजन्स थे उनको लगा कि ये सारे चले गए, विक्ट्री सेलिब्रेट करने लगे रात को, उनको लगा कि ये सारे भाग गए, तो इन्होंने विक्ट्री सेलिब्रेट की, और ये हॉर्स जो छोड़ के रखा था उन्होंने उसको अपने जो किला होता है, जो फोर्ट होता है, उसके अंदर उन्होंने ये हॉर्स को ले लिया, राइट? At night when these Trojans were slept, that time from the opening of this wooden horse, a team of Greek soldiers they opened the doors for their people, and they again had a fight, and it was Greek. This is a legendary story. इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे right? So the Greek built a giant horse. Next, to hatch a plan means the same as to hatch a plan. To copy someone else's idea, to come up with an idea, I hatch a plan that I would be making you all know. Pari, आपका class नहीं बच्चा अभी, this is 6th standard. Anyone who knows the answer? To hatch a plan, to come up with an idea, cheat, copy someone else's idea, or think. The correct answer is come up with an idea. Please type it in the chat box. Is my voice audible to everyone? आवाज clear है? Good. So the correct answer is why I don't have. The last answer is come up with an idea. Okay. Please reply me. Is it audible now? Yes, no. Is my voice audible now? children, please reply. Is my voice audible now? Please reply in the chat box. Okay. So first answer is Taylor, second Troy, third to make some one to come up with an idea. Okay. I'm using everyone. Make sure you mention their name board. Right? Chale. Now come to phonic fun. And sounds. Shubham, fourth one is what? Fifth one, option number A, to come up with the idea. Chale, Vishwa, can you hear me? I'll share the PDF here. Vishwa, can you hear me? Vishwa, can you hear me? चलिए ओम दिवाणी ओम दिवाणी ओम दिवाणी कैन यू हियर मी बच्चा चलिए वंश परिवार
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
One, yes, bacha.
Yes.
Now please read poem on page 83. Turn on your camera also.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see it?
Yes, beta.
Cynthia rides a cycle round and round.
Cynthia.
Yes, ma'am. Cynthia rides a cycle round and round in the city center and square ground. She sees candy, cake, and cookies sellers on her back. But Cynthia cycles calmly away, for she knows sweet for candy.
She was afraid of everything. Please read the yellow box.
Yes, sir. The letter C has two sounds. The A sound in words such as city and the K sound in words such as K.
Right? We know that because C can pronounce as sa also and ka also. Right? Thank you, Vansh. Now I'm sharing the screen. Vansh, please tell me, is my screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am. It's loading.
Okay. If it is loading, then it is visible. ये मेरा पेज आपको
Ma'am, now visible.
now come to page 4. Page 84. चलिए आस्था चारोला, are you there in the class? आयुषी सारे एब्सेंट है, ठीक है. हर्षित गोथी, मौर्यदीप, चलिए ओम.
Hi. Yes, ma'am.
Om. Okay. Om, please read question number 1 of page 84.
Read the words given below. Underline the word with the S sound and circle the ones with the K sound.
राइट। स साउंड वाले वर्ड को अंडरलाइन करेंगे और क साउंड वाले वर्ड्स को सर्कल। क्लियर? चलिए, ओम प्लीज रीड द फर्स्ट लाइन।
Cut. Then
कट,
circle.
अंडरलाइन और सर्कल? सर्कल।
Circle.
देन
Share. Underline.
अंडरलाइन, श साउंड है, राइट? प्लीज एवरीवन डू विथ पेंसिल, डोंट यूज पेन इन द टेक्स्ट बुक।
Face. Underline. Card. Circle. Cone. Circle. White.
ट्वाइस, मेरे में ट्वाइस है, आप में अगर तो नहीं पता है, दिस इज ट्वाइस। ओके, थैंक यू ओम। सो कट, कार्ड एंड कोन, सर्कल, सेल, फेस, ट्वाइस, अंडरलाइन। चलिए नेक्स्ट, जय खान, प्लीज रीड द सेकेंड लाइन। जय खान।
Yes, ma'am. Uncle, ma'am, circle.
क्यों सर्कल किया दिए वहां पे अंकल में?
Ma'am, because uncle had a K sound. Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Uncle.
Hello, ma'am.
The sound. Please move to the second one.
Yes, ma'am. Cat. Ma'am, here is circle.
Okay. Then
Silence. Ma'am, S. Underline. Office.
Underline. Yes.
There was S sound here also. Underline. Cement. Underline. Celebrate. Underline.
Very good. So uncle and catch, circle, rest everything, silence, office, cement and celebrate is underline. Thank you, dear. Next, Subham. Subham.
Yes, ma'am.
Subham, please read question number 2.
Yes, ma'am. Look at the picture and complete their names. Circle the letters. See, write the L sound and underline the one with K sound. Circles.
Spelling?
CIRCUS.
Okay. So next one.
Eyes.
Okay. Then.
Cat. DANCE. Dance. COI.
Okay. Stop now. Stop. Okay. First one is circus. Second eyes. Third cat. And fourth dance. Ria, can you please read नीचे के 4 words? Ria. Ria is there in the class? Okay. Rena.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read the 4 words.
Yes, ma'am.
Or 4 pictures.
COIN. Coin. CIRCL. Circle. CARROT. Carrot. COMB. Comb.
Comb. Done? Chaliye. Now, Pant is there in the class? Pant. Pant is there in the class? No. Okay. Chaliye. Khanak?
Yes.
Khanak?
Yes, ma'am.
Bacha, can you please repeat all the answers?
Yes, ma'am. Circus. 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 Ice. 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 Cat. 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 Dance. 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 Coin. COIN. Circle. CIRCLE. Carrot. CARROT. Comb. COMB.
Okay. Done. Chalo. So this is done. Now you just need to listen to me. Listen to me before I wind up the class. Phrase and clause. Phrase and clause. ये खाली आपके understanding के लिए है. Phrase and clause. Now that has a subject, verb and predicate. Suppose if I say I am a girl. I is the subject, girl is the object, whereas M is the subject, verb, object. What is it?
Verb.
Yes. So because we don't have helping verb, so this is known as helping verb. Or you can say verb. I becomes the subject, girl becomes the object, and M is the helping verb. So clause is the group of words that has subject with verb and predicate, whereas phrase is a group of words that acts as a single part. Suppose, for example, a big wall. A big wall. It is a phrase, right? An empty temple. It is a phrase. A clever man. It is a phrase. Means जो complete tense नहीं बनाता है, that is phrase. And complete tense बनाता है, that is clause. Right? Complete tense is clause, incomplete tense is phrase. Chalo, this is all for today. You can move to the next class and have a good day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.